Here's a really cool chord sequence that you can try that goes for a very long time, far longer than this short will allow me to play. But you're essentially going to start on an A major chord or whatever you want, and you're going to alternate major sixth and minor sixth. You're going to only play major chords though. So a major sixth above A is F sharp major. Then a minor sixth above that is D major. Up a major sixth, B major. Minor sixth above that, G major. Major sixth above that is E major. Minor sixth, C major. Major sixth, A major. So you're sort of back to where you were. You can keep going though. That is the full sequence.